touristically attractive areas without taking from land. And this has had an influence on our cleanliness, smartness, neatness, and orderliness. We have progressively changed the old sewer lines with the right to new and larger ones. This to avoid constant blockages, which used to happen majorly caused by the old pipe that existed. When the things come, I thought everybody
Okamubale bakatujja kusa ebyambi tukumwabiri egy'essomero lino Najjangokola. Tetubadde bubeezi ng'essomero lya Najjangokola. Naye essomero lino lirina linene nnyo bye bukoze mu nsi nga lifulumya abayizi ab'omugaso si mu Uganda mwokka wabula mu nsi yonna. Awo tumaliza Bamiritiro Farmers emyaka 12 emabega. Tuza okwebaza eri abakulembeze bonna ab'essomero lino kubanga bakoze kinene okulaba nti essomero lino lisigala nga likyatambula bulungi ddala. Ssebo Headmaster w'essomero lino mu kiseera kino ekisimu bwe kiti tulaba nti essomero lyeyongera okukulaakulana. Weebale nnyo, weebalire ddala. Ebizimbe byeyongedde, abayizi beeyongedde, n'endabika y'essomero yeeyongedde. Awo ensabira obukulembeze bw'essomero lino okulaba nti baana basajja tuddayo mu kifo kyaffe kitwalingamu ekifo ekisooka mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda. Basaba tubeere kumpi nnyo n'abaana baffe, ate abaana babeere mikwano gyaffe, tubategeere awo tujja kusobola okubalambika okutambula obulungi mu nsi muno, ate tuggyemu abantu abanaasobola okugasa mu ggwanga lyattu Uganda. Eri abavubuka mumanye lwaki muli mu ssomero wano, lwaki abazadde bamwe bafubaana okulaba nti tubeera mu ssomero. Ekyo nno kintu kikulu nnyo. Omulimu gw'obusomesa mulimu gwa kitiibwa nnyo, era tunategeera nti omulimu ogwo gwa kitiibwa nnyo kijja kutuyamba okulambika abaana bano obulungi, ate tuggyemu abaana ab'omugaso gye bujja. Tufune bamwami embuga omukulembeze w'essomero lino abawerako mu maaso. Amalirize ne bino badde w'emitwe ku baana baffe, buli ssomero w'olaga buyitiridde. Tulwane okulaba mwogera n'abaana bano, mubasembeze kumpi, mubabudeebude, awo tujja kugyamu abaana abalungi. Nze mukyala wange tubasomesa tuteeseteese omuzadde nga balaga obuzibu bwe balina mu nsi muno. opportunity to mention my sincere thanks to you, because even these hard times, we can see the college growing and at the same time evolving. Thank you so much. As an old student of the college, the young one, I always tell you that I was in a new house upper, normally called House 12, Section C, for the 4 years I was at the college. I want to request the Board of Governors, PTA, and the alumni through NACOBA to lay a strategy of reclaiming naval position of the college in Uganda. I repeat, I want to request the Board of Governors, PTA, alumni, through NACOBA to lay a strategy of reclaiming naval position in Uganda in all areas, academics, sports, and the rest. This goes to the parents of this college and maybe in other schools. I have this for you. I request you to be close to your children and understand them. It is only when you understand your child that you'll be able to get what you want from him. I'm saying him because these are both, but there are others. And this is very important in the era where youths are having a lot of challenges. To the boys, be good students when you are in school. Understand why your parents struggle for you to have a better education, which will shape your future. Unfortunately, there are two boys around. I've been in the teaching profession for some 3 years, close to 35 years. But unless a teacher understands that teaching is a noble profession, fellow teachers, let's understand that teaching is a noble profession, and by understanding that, we shall be able to groom this young one to the fullest. This goes to the administration, PTA, Board of Governors, and alumni. The future of this college, the greatness we are celebrating today, cannot always speak in the foreign language. I have to summarize what I've said in the local language.
Welcome, Ivan. Next. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Wow. You can see Ivan is now proud that he is. Boys, this is Borelli. Marisibi, idea.
Kiswahili.
Madam Chiramo, please, can you move forward? Right. Business studies. Business studies. Move forward, please. Move forward. TD, please move forward. Study to prepare. Physics. Chemistry. Chemistry, Mr. Boateng George. For English is also finally here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause to the network department.
Look at it, and commit to give to the fund. As NACOVA, we are committed to giving back to the college, our College of Medicine,
grateful for the Catholic Fund commitment and the founding body represented today by His Excellency the Archbishop Dr. Augustine Kasuja Emeritus, Lucio Emeritus, to ensure our learning environment remains conducive for both teachers and students. Beyond physical structures, our mission remains rooted in the holistic development of our boys. This spiritual foundation is essential as we nurture future generations to live with humility in a world that often glorifies recklessness. We are also looking forward to a greener future under the leadership of our headmaster Japi. The college has taken a bold step to become a no-Almeida territory effective 2026. By banning plastic bags and embracing a feminist environment, we are protecting our 40 acres of land, including our precious 17 acres of planted forest cover. In closing, I want to thank the over 2,000 parents and well-wishers whose steadfast support allows us to work as a solid team. Together, we are not just honoring one 24-year legacy, we are actively building a future defined by intellectual brilliance and moral excellence. On behalf of the parents, teachers, and many engineers and advocates, Your Excellency, Dr. Archbishop Augustine Kasuja, Peponosio, our guests, both Chief of Sexual Vincent Matofu, members of the Board of Governors, members of the PTA, the headmaster, teaching and academic staff, all the guests, all the parents, all the members of Kakoba, all you our invited guests, and friends of other commitments, they are introducing themselves. I shall invite